To set up direct deposit with Wisely, start by gathering the necessary information and materials, including your Wisely card account and routing numbers, as well as your employer's direct deposit enrollment form. First, log into your Wisely account online or through the mobile app to obtain your account and routing numbers. You can find these numbers in the account settings or details section of your Wisely account. Next, fill out your employer's direct deposit enrollment form, which can usually be found on their website or by contacting their Human Resources Department. On this form, you will need to provide your Wisely account and routing numbers, as well as your name and address. After completing the enrollment form, submit it to your employer, either by email, mail, or in person, depending on their preferred method. It may take 1 to 2 pay cycles for direct deposit to become active. So be patient and continue to monitor your account for updates. Once direct deposit is set up, your paychecks will be deposited directly into your Wisely account on payday, eliminating the need for paper checks. To confirm that direct deposit has been set up correctly, log into your Wisely account and verify that your paychecks are being deposited as expected. You can also set up account alerts to notify you when direct deposits are made into your account. By following these steps, you can easily set up direct deposit with Wisely and start enjoying the convenience and security of receiving your paychecks electronically. Remember to always keep your account and routing numbers secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.